I'm Oscar. I work here at TR Worcester. I'm the lead painter as far as anything that goes down with paint, drywall, cabinetry. So one of the biggest things that you got to make sure is having this area as clean as possible, free of any contaminants and bugs. Because one of the worst things that can happen to you is, say, something landing in your paint, something contaminating your paint, or a bug landing on your surface. Here we have a perfect example where this little guy here decided to come and run into our paint. Thankfully, this is just first coat. We can take care of it at this point, because either way, I'm gonna come through, I need to sand this meticulously, and I'll buff that guy out of there and make sure that for our second go around, this does not happen. One of the things that we like doing here is protecting the glass. Many ways you can do this, but one way that I like doing this is just using liquid masking. We're able to lay down a nice coat of liquid masking, and what we do afterwards, once we're done after our second coat, we'll just take putty knives, a drywall knife, a decent sized one for this, maybe a 10 or 12 incher, and then what we'll do is come and score our edges. That way we don't have any accident. At that point, this will literally just come off like a piece of latex and leave nice clean glass behind.